Oh, I'm gonna show in this tutorial how to undo and how to redo in Adobe Premiere Pro 2024. So it's quite simple. There's two ways. One, you can use the shortcut or you can use the manual way. And what you have to do after you edited and obviously worked on something and how you would like to redo, maybe you like to, maybe you lost something, you deleted of your project, your video that you worked on by mistake, and now you're looking for a solution. So in this case, what you can do, if you click on edit here and you redo, this will fix the problem. And if you want to redo, you can click here, or and to undo is Control Z, the shortcut. So yeah, if you deleted this video, let's say, now that was a very important video, you can also right click and select cut or just to remove it, and then now that was a very important video for you. So in this case, click on redo and click again redo for this other video as well. And that's basically what you have to do, right? It's simple, but if if maybe you would like to check the history, because you can do it if you go to window here and you click on this panel, enable history panel. If you go here, history, now you can select all these steps that you taken, because now you can select all the steps you have taken. So all the steps you have done, now you can uncheck, rechecks, reselect, so this can save you a lot of time and just fix this problem. Because when you're working on your project, there's times when you delete something or you do something by mistake. So this option comes very handy and it can be really helpful. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and take care. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.